What's up, guys? Richie Lee for Ions here. This is ions.com. Today, we've got a special thing for everybody right now. We're live to Facebook and Instagram, and we are checking out, we got the newest Apple TV 4K. And we're going to unbox it for you guys right now, so let's crack it open. The biggest difference with the Apple 4K is the last two letters in that name, 4K. For a long time, Apple was really held off with doing 4K, and it's about time. Now, as you notice, this particular guy here, it's a lot bigger. This is the bigger model. It comes in 128 gig and 256, I believe, or is it 64 and 128? I'll double check which one we got here. So this is the 64 4K. Look at that. Always leave it up to Apple to make these things look pretty. So if you've been using an older Apple device, like a Gen 1 or a Gen 2 or a Gen 3, the biggest change here, of course, is the apps, where the Gen 2 was basically stuck on the old TV OS. The new updates go out to the Gen 3s, and then, of course, the 4Ks. So here you see the actual physical box. It comes with this remote. The remote is a big difference from the old remote. So the old remote is a slightly standard little remote. This thing is all about Siri. Here we have an original from the Apple 2nd edition, and the 1st edition came with these guys. It's just a little clicker, basically. This guy has Siri built in. So you got a little magic touchpad at the top. You've got your menu. That microphone there, that's Siri, that's your girl. It's gonna be a lot of fun to play with this guy. It's a big update from going from 2 or 3 to 4K. This is the physical box right here. Now, as you can tell, it's a bit of a bigger package. If we compare this to one of the more previous models, not necessarily the 3, but let's say the 4, you can see the size here. Here's a 2. Right, so they look very similar. It's just, it's a lot of difference. Now, as far as peripherals go, what's this baby cracking? Let's flip that. Can you flip that around? Show me the back of the Apple TV here. Oh, underneath. Now, where do all the plugs go? Is the big question. This is a head scratcher. Now that the Apple TV 2 and 3, or the Apple 2 and 3, they've got pretty straightforward plug setup. They've got an HDMI, optical audio, which we've been using for a while, and of course the power. There's nothing quite as satisfying as peeling the plastic off a new toy.
Oh, they had a little cheeky. That's where
oh, that's wrapped. That explains a few things. Thought we couldn't find any peripherals. Now here we go. That's what we got. Now it looks like there you got your power, HDMI, Ethernet. It looks like they dropped the digital audio format there, which is fine. Not a lot of people were using it. If you're using any kind of sound system, you might find it appealing, but this is just straight HDMI. So that's it. We're going to give this thing a boot up, but this is the unboxing. That's all there is to it. Of course, Apple comes with the Apple TV, the remote, and of course, a good smattering of Cupertino literature. Always that's nice. Wrapped up the cables here. There we go. Let's get started. There's that. It's a USB plug. It's a lightning, USB to lightning. I'm not sure what they want you to do with that. It's probably just for setting it up or something, but it's interesting to note that while it comes with the lightning, which is super nice and super helpful, it does not come with an HDMI. Like most things, you buy a nice piece of gear, pick up an HDMI cable, Don't pay extra for gold HDMI. That's just standard. Just buy an HDMI cable. They're all pretty good. We're big fans of Rocketfish. But that's it. This is our live video. It's unboxed. We're gonna get back at you with a review, with a setup video. Don't forget to check us out every day. This is ions.com. We're posting right now to Facebook and Instagram. We're also on Twitter at This Is Ions. You can find us on Google+, but let's be honest, no one's going to be there. We're also on Tumblr, Instagram, of course. And you can check out our YouTube page, This Is Ions, and we're posting new videos every day. So click the links below. Check out our bios. Always more gear. Live the future. Ions.